Okay, so I'm going to be installing this new 4 terabyte it's an internal SSD hard drive for the PS5. It's whatever is specified as what is needed, M.2 PCIe Gen 4, and it's got a certain minimum speed. I think the PS5 specifies it's 5500 MB per second, and this one definitely meets that. I'd seen reviews of this on YouTube, and thought I would try it out. It's by a company called X Power, and it's M.2 PCIe Gen 4x4 SSD. It's got a 5-year limited warranty, and it's so easy to open the packaging. You just take a scissor and cut through those perforations on 3 of the 4 sides. It's got all the specs mentioned in here, and I think it's got this QR code to activate the warranty. And basically you just open it up, and it's got the installation procedures in here. I think it's showing the installation procedures for a computer. Yeah, and it's basically, I think it's screwed in, and it comes with the heat sink, so don't really have to worry about that either. So basically this is the SSD in here. It's well packaged. And basically that's what it looks like. It looks pretty sleek. It's got a nice heat sink, and those are the connectors. Looks pretty good. Looks well made, solid, and that's where you probably screw it in. The PS5 has a screw inside, and that's basically the warranty sticker and things like that. Those are the connectors again.